Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, also known as Mimi. So if you haven't already subscribed, then what you doing? Go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like and also comment. So today I basically did some 2-strand twist on my locks, and I'ma just say that it's like low-key a fail, but low-key not a fail, because some of these are not even like what is that? I don't even know what's on my head. But I was like, even if it comes out ugly, at least my curls are gonna be cute, right? But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna leave my hair in this for like 2 weeks. I was gonna say a month, but I don't know if I could walk around with my hair like this for a month. I don't know. I think I look crazy. What y'all think? But I'm thinking about putting my hair, see, this ain't bad. Put my hair into little ponytails like that and call it a day. But I always wanted to do the 2-strand twist with the rubber bands at the end. But this is actually my second attempt. I tried like 2 weeks ago and it was a fail. I deleted the footage because the footage was trash. But anyways, if you want to learn how to do a 2-strand twist on your locks, then keep on watching. Now, when I say if you want to learn, I mean if you want to see me attempt to do a 2-strand twist on my locks, then keep on watching. All right, I got my spray bottle, my rose water, and my rubber bands. So here I'm basically using the camera to see exactly how I'm gonna separate my hair so I can basically get my 2 strands going. Now, these first couple of 2-strand twists that I did, I was doing good. Like, I was killing it. Like, I was doing it. But like what had happened was, I don't know if like I just got lazy, but like some of these twists just didn't start looking it right. Maybe I twisted it the wrong way. But as you can see, like this first twist that I'm doing now, like I did it the right way. And you could tell like how tight the twist was, and like later on in the video you'll see how loose my twists are. So if you are trying to 2-strand your locks, I would definitely tell you to twist your locks one way. Like the 2 individual locks that you have, twist it one way, and then when you combine them together to 2-strand it, twist it the opposite way, so that way it could hold. Shout out to my cousin Steve, because he told me how to do that. But clearly I still need some help because it still didn't come out the way I thought it was going to come out in my head. But hey, if you don't succeed, keep on trying. So that's what I'm doing. so this is what the results are. Let's look at the back here. I'm praying that I don't have no random pieces hanging out. But it looks like everyone is twisted in. You know, it is starting to grow on me. You know what? I feel like, you know, me doing this video, I'm just keeping it real because, like, I just want to show y'all that obviously I don't know everything about LOCS. I'm learning as I go, and this right here is a fail. But you know what? It's a good fail because at least I can watch this video again and see how far I've come. You know what I mean? You feel me? You feel me? Aight. But anyways, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.